I'm glad you asked this question. Despite information that we had previously shared at Cottage Life, it seems like we were actually mistaken. It had been thought that possums were ecological traps in that they were particularly effective at killing ticks. The possums would have ticks on them, get annoyed, and then eat the ticks, effectively ending their life cycle. But here's the thing. That conclusion comes from one American 2009 lab study. In that study, the researchers trapped 5 possums and exposed each caged animal to 100 ticks. After 4 days, they checked the cages. They found that, on average, 3.5% of larval ticks had fed and dropped off the possums. They concluded that the rest of the ticks had been ingested. So, a new set of researchers at Eureka College in Illinois did their own study, analyzing the stomach contents of 32 possums. They found crickets, worms, fleas, pretty much everything except ticks. Not even a single tick body part. It was as if the possums were going out of their way to not eat ticks. So, turns out that possums might not be the ecological superheroes that we once thought. The best way to keep yourself safe from tick-borne diseases? Well, you know this. Cover up and tuck your pants into your socks, and make sure to avoid long grasses. It's not particularly fashionable, but it works.